What's up, everyone? It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. My apologies at first because I wanted to post during the holidays, but I couldn't be able to post during the holidays because I was down for the count with the norovirus for a few weeks. I'm still recovering from it. So for that, I apologize, but this is a new video. Happy New Year. Wish you guys health, wealth, and a prosperous new year. So today's video is practically going to be about something I've been wanting to review for a while. Soundpeats sent it to me, and it's the Soundpeats C30 earbuds. So I'm going to actually unbox this in front of you. As you can see, it has the film on top of it. I'm going to open it up, unbox it in front of you guys, show you the real deal of it. Those are actually better than Raycons. Those are actually better than Beats for sure. And I'm also going to leave the coupon code on the screen and also in the description below so you can get you a pair if you're interested in getting that as well. So let's get into the unboxing piece of the video. I'm going to actually let you know exactly how this works and what the features are on it. Let's get to the video further. Let's go. Enough of the small talk. Let's get to it. All right. These are the Soundpeats fully boxed. Obviously, this offers high-resolution wireless audios, so that's pretty much how the box looks. And the logo on it, the mantra on it is "Hear the Difference." So I'm pretty sure the sound on this is amazing. Even though those are small, you won't be able to hear the sound. But I'm going to read to you some of the features that it has. It has Bluetooth version 6, V6, obviously, version 6. And the frequency response range is from 20 hertz to 40 kilohertz. The maximum working distance is 10 meters. And the play time is about 10 hours, but it could be up to 52 hours with the charging case. So that means if you're taking it in and out of the charging case, it could last as long as 52 hours to be exact. And the battery capacity is a 48 mAh earbud and 500 mAh charging case. So that means the battery in the case is larger than the battery in the earbuds. That would make sense. So let's crack it open. Let's see what goes on from there. Doing it the unsafe way, using a knife next to my fingers. That's to show you guys how much I care for you guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't hesitate to subscribe as well. Like I mentioned earlier, the coupon code will be on the screen and also will be in the description below if you're trying to find it as well. So let's open it. Let's see what it's in there. So all right, anytime now, any day now. Come on. All right, so this doesn't slide as easy as I thought it would. That's my bad, but let me fight through it and get it open. All right, here we go. Boom. So just like that, the Soundpeats just jumped out of the box. That was easy. Ooh. It actually looks cool. It has a little embroidery on the side of it. And actually, you open it up and both of them are there in black and gray. So that's cool. Super cool. I'm going to try to put them in my ear and so you could hear the difference. So inside of it, it has a left and right earbud pretty much. So you can differentiate which one's which to put them in the proper spots when you're trying to charge it. And let's see what else comes in the box. There's the instruction manuals. Yep, warranty information, App Store, stickers you could put on it. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. You could put mad stickers on it. Make it super cool. And the model number is C30. So Soundpeats C30. That's that in a nutshell. That's what's in the little box here, and let's see if there's a charging cable that comes with it in the back. I can hear something else. Oh yeah, there's actually a charging cable that comes with this. That's so dope. And it comes with extra plastic tips for your earbuds. You could replace them if your earlobes are small, if your ear hole is small or not. You could replace those anytime. And then right here is a USB-C charger cable for it. So it's actually full USB-C charger cable, but it doesn't come with a brick. So you have to get your own brick, so to speak. So that's that in a nutshell. So now let's go into actually having it open and see what it sounds like. Inside the casing itself, the top actually is fully foamed out. There's a piece of black foam there, and these come in white, black, and white. So those are the two colors that it comes with, the C30s. And when you open the case and close the case, this light flashes here. See, as you can see below. And when you take these out right here, you could actually take them out and put them in your ear. And these are the tips that we were talking about earlier. You can actually replace those, put some smaller ones, some bigger ones in there, depending on the size of your ear hole to make it work. And obviously when you put it in your ear, this will be dangling from the side of your head, similar to earpods, so to speak. So that's the concept there. And it has that same logo on each earpod, so to speak. And there's a little piece of paper right here. That's where it charges. And oh, okay, the piece of plastic that's there is simply for charging purposes. So those two contactors make contact with these two here, and it begins the charging process, just like that. See, now it's charging when it's in the case. And that's how you're able to get the 52 hours. But if you put it in your ear, it'll only last you about 10 hours, less than a day, of course. So if you actually moving them in and out of the case, constantly charging them, then that's when they last you 52 hours. So now it makes perfect sense to me. So now let's see exactly what they look on my ear. I'm going to showcase that to you guys. And we're going to conclude the video once I showcase how they look on my ear as well, because I'm not going to bother showing you the installation piece because that comes with the instructions. All the instructions are here. You can actually put stickers on it and all of that stuff. So I wouldn't bother you guys with any of that. So let me show you guys what it looks like in my ear, how cool it looks like. And I definitely think it's a must-get product, especially at the coupon code that you're getting. All right, guys. I'm able to actually zoom in a little bit closer so I can show you guys my earlobes as I put these in. I've opened up my case and I'm about to take them out to put them in my ear. That's pretty much how you place them in your ear. And I'm not gonna bother doing the installation piece like I mentioned earlier because it makes no sense. You should be able to pair this to your phone if you follow the instruction in the instruction manuals booklet that came with the packages. So that should be pretty much self-explanatory. But that's how it looks. That's how cool it looks in your ear. Imagine you get the white ones or the black ones and you can actually put this in your pocket. I wish you could hear the sound that's coming out of this thing. It's actually amazing, high-res sound. Like I mentioned before, these are better than Raycons and actually cheaper than Raycons, especially nowadays. And they're actually better than Beats by Dre. The Beats by Dre pods, the left one, as you saw in my previous videos, the left one always gives out. I don't know why. It doesn't provide that problem at all. Doesn't present that problem at all. I unplugged those, put them in my ear, and they're playing as we speak. High-res audio, great audio. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned before, don't hesitate to hit the like button. Subscribe as well. I'm trying to grow my subscriber, grow my channel out. Help a brother out. Subscribe. The new year, I'm trying to be prosperous on YouTube. Help a brother out so I can get more products to actually do more reviews for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe once again. Have a good one. Peace.